How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with @Tech. In this video, I want to show you a couple troubleshooting steps you can step through when you have an unresponsive application. First off, I will show you how to force quit and resolve any issues that may be happening on a third-party app and pretty much any other app on your computer. Then I will show you how to relaunch Finder, because especially on macOS Catalina, there are several issues related to Finder that are only really solved through relaunching it. So I will show you how to do all of that in this video. I will also show you how to relaunch the dock and fix any issues you may have with that. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you how to force quit an application. So for example, we have system preferences up right here. If this is possibly not responding, what we can do is we can right click on the application, and then there will be an option that will say force quit. If it is responding fine, it will say quit instead. One cool thing is that when you relaunch the application after force quitting, it will restore your previous session. If you don't want that to happen, you hold the Shift key and then open the app, and it will not restore where you previously were. If your right clicking does not work, what we can do is we can also go up to the Apple logo and then we can choose force quit. Now, if your computer is completely frozen, chances are that's not even going to work. So you will just hold Command, Option, and then press Escape, and that will bring up the force quit menu. From here, we can choose to force quit system preferences, and now that is gone. This is also kind of a cool thing. It shows you every single app you're running. Sometimes preview disappears after you close something, but it's still running, so you can actually quit it from here, which is pretty cool as well. So that's how you force quit an application. Now, what if we are inside of Finder and something's not responding? Especially on macOS Catalina, I found that on network locations, it says I'm connected to my server, it shows my shares, but it's not showing up on the desktop. I open it and it says it can't be found. I try ejecting, I try disconnecting, none of that works. So how do you fix that? Well, what we need to do is, if Finder is not responding, you get the spinning wheel. We can go ahead and right click on that, and there will be an option that will say relaunch. Otherwise, we can do the same thing. We can open up our force quit menu and we can choose to relaunch Finder. Now, sometimes that doesn't even work at all either. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead into Terminal. And what we'll show you next is actually going to be a lot of the commands inside a terminal, which are very useful. So one I use often when Finder is not responding is I will say kill all, one word, and then Finder capital F. That's going to relaunch Finder, and then we should have no issues and everything should be working perfectly again. Now, what about if our dock is not responding? Something is wrong in the dock, stuff isn't showing up. Well, it's exactly the same as the last command, except instead of Finder, we will say dock. This will relaunch our dock and do our wallpaper magic, and we now have everything that was minimized is now visible, and our dock is now relaunched. That fixes several issues that have to do with dock related things. So if stuff was not responding with that, this is also a really great way to fix that as well. And of course, if none of that is working, you just press and hold the power button on your computer to force shut it down, and then you can turn it back on. If you are really having an issue and something's causing your computer to have a kernel panic each time, you can hold the Shift key while you're turning the computer on to boot into safe mode. You can remove any software that may be causing that issue, and then you can go back and boot normally. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with @Tech, and I will see you in the next one.